In the 1960s, aluminum siding was the go-to for home exterior. It was lightweight, it was durable, resistant to rot and mildew, and many homeowners were looking for that with a low maintenance option. And many of the homes you see behind me have aluminum siding or had it at one point. As a steel siding manufacturer, we often get asked the question, how does our True Cedar and our Vesta compare to the aluminum siding of the past? And that's what we're gonna get into today. While aluminum siding was great, it wasn't perfect. The two biggest complaints from homeowners was the fact that it dented easily with kids playing, rocks, just general wear and tear, and then the paint would fade or chalk over time. So you get this panel that lasts, but the finish wears out. So cut to today. Metal siding has come a long way, and that's for two main reasons. One is we have a steel siding, so our True Cedar and Vesta have a Class 4 impact rating. And what does that mean? It means that steel siding won't show the dents and deformities that traditional aluminum siding will. Secondly is the paint finish. Now think John Deere green or think UPS brown. How do these bold colors stay so vibrant? It's gonna be the PVDF or Kynar 500 paint finish that goes on that metal. And this is what Quality Edge uses on all of our steel siding. That means you have a superior paint finish, something that won't chalk, won't fade over time. And this is why Quality Edge offers a 50-year panel and paint warranty, giving homeowners peace of mind throughout the lifetime of their home.